Well guys, we're on post-op day 7. 1 week since the knee replacement, and it is a little before 8. Got my handy dandy walker here, outside on the move. The muscle pain in my thigh is pretty crazy. I haven't really slept the last 2 nights because 2 reasons. One, that muscle pain in my thigh, and then in the back of my kneecap on the outside, the tendon there, that's really pulling and stretching, and between the 2 of those I could not find a single position to get comfortable where it wasn't pulling and hurting with the drugs, mind you. I mean, I tried both sides. I even tried on my stomach. That definitely didn't work. So definitely steady progress, as slow as it seems to me, and the pain still limits things. It's kind of a constant dull ache that doesn't go away, and I guess the pain meds are helping. I'm not going to try not taking them to see if they don't help. I'm just going to assume that it's going to be worse if I didn't take them. Anyway, so I'm going to finish up my walk. Look, the sun's just coming up back there. I'm going to finish up my walk and get back to the house. The nurse is coming at 8:30 this morning, I think. I'll see you guys after a while.
Well, let's go see if we can find her. Is he hiding? Where's she at? Call her.
Woo!
He was mad because he wouldn't go in the living room.
Hi. Hi. How are you? You're gonna walk with me? Who'd you find? You found Mommy?
Is Mommy outside? Yeah?
Where are you going? You're going to school?
What'd you have for breakfast? Did you tell her what you ate for breakfast? No.
Who's on the phone? Mama. Grandpa's on the phone? Where is Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Nope. He's with Jesus. Papa. Where is Grandpa? Where is Grandpa? Where'd Grandpa go?
Can you show us where Jesus is? Where's Grandpa with Jesus?
No. Heck no. Say good morning. That kind of hurts. Don't do that.
No. Don't hit Mommy's leg.
Say good morning. So, here's where we are. I went for a walk today. It was probably a little much. The nurse came, and so she's done. She came today. The blister's still the same. She said that this pain that I'm having and the unable to find any comfortable spot could last another 2 weeks. She said it's like 2 to 3 weeks post-op, so pretty not excited about that. For those that care, and those that are going to have a knee replacement, yes, keep taking your stool softeners. We're on day 7 now. The nurse was not happy about that either, but stool softeners twice a day, still icing it a lot. The swelling seems to have gone down a little bit, but the pain is unchanged. It's a lot of muscle pain. Like my quads are just, or my thigh is just burning in pain. And then there's one spot under the back of my ankle that's pulling. Anyway. Who cares, right? So, chugging along. That's what this is. So that's where we are on post-op day 7. This is probably a shorter one, but you guys got to see a little bit of Kyle today. He's so confused with everything that's going on. But that's it. I hope you guys are all having a great week, and continued prayers are certainly appreciated.